Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to consider the workout bag that you pack for a practice. The things that go into it are the things that are going to be available to you to support your practice. If you don't put your Dita Jiao in the bag and you get bruised during class, it won't be there to support you. If you don't put your hand wraps in the bag when it's time to do that sparring set, you're either going to risk injury to yourself or have to sit out the sparring session. If you don't bring a notebook, that lesson that comes to you during class may pass you by and be lost. If you don't bring your school t-shirt, they might not let you practice. So considering the workout bag that you would pack in order to come to a practice, maybe in your school, maybe for yourself, maybe, out of town or something in another school, I'd like you to also to consider yourself as that workout bag. So what has gone into you? What have you packed in this bag that will be there for you? That will be the resource that you call upon in your practice. Now, it may be an imperfect resource, right? I really need, really need a fruit drink because I'm diabetic and my sugar's crashing. All I have is this, I don't know, a granola bar with just a little bit of carbohydrates and simple sugars in it. So that's what I have. Not ideal, but it's something. Maybe if I reach for the granola bar and I realize, wow, I'm practicing with a diabetic, maybe I'd like to have brought a juice box. That'd be a different story. But consider all the things that you pack into yourself, the workout bag, the thing that contains all the resources that you will have available to you during your practice. So that's your sleep, that's your diet, that's your mood, that's your outlook. Those are your expectations, those are your prejudices, those are your concerns. Those are your flexibility. Those are your worries. Those are your injuries. Um, your expectations. Those are the news that you consumed before class or didn't consume, right? So consider all these things and maybe just sort of consider, what do you want to put in that bag before you practice? So maybe your practice is in 5 hours and you start thinking about what goes into the bag. Maybe your practice is sometime today or tomorrow. Maybe you start thinking about what goes in that bag so that it's there as a resource for you when you do practice. Think broadly, and please include in the comments what things I've missed. I'd really be interested to hear. Thank you.